Hey everybody, CBS 11 meteorologist Dennis Brown in the Weather Center. We still have first alert weather day conditions for us here in North Texas. In fact, still have a flood watch in effect for most of North Texas until 8 o'clock. It's been extended for much of the area. And then for Central Texas, farther to the south there towards 7 o'clock this evening. This pretty much means we still have rain out there and it's not receding very quickly. So some problems still on our area roadways, our interstates, and we need to take it very, very easy. Remember this, turn around, don't drown. How about this though? When we look at some of the numbers, getting some updated numbers at DFW, we've seen more than 10 inches of rain. How about this for a wet August, right? The top one there at 1915, we saw more than 10 inches of rain, so we're getting pretty close there. And you'll see a few more numbers for 1914 and 1970. So this has been a big problem for a lot of us with this rain falling in a very short period of time. And that's why we've had those water rescues in Fort Worth and Dallas, and we've had problems on our area roads and interstates since last night. Now here's a look at first alert radar. We still have some rain that's out there. It's pretty steady at times, and in other communities we're seeing it a bit heavier, but overall we see some of those darker colors with some of the green, even a couple yellow colors toward Parker County. That's indicating some more moderate rain, and we still have some steady rainfall a bit closer to Ellis County, Johnson County, and even parts of Dallas County there, and farther to the south you'll see Hillsboro. Check out most of the wet weather, most of the thunderstorms moving towards Central Texas at this point. This is just a composite of the radar, and you'll see over the past hour or so, a lot of the heavy rain is starting to move farther away from North Texas. That means we will slowly dry out, but again, it's going to take a little while for the water to recede. And so as you look at most of these red and orange colors impacting areas in Waco, you'll see Palestine there. They're going to get the brunt of this very soon. As we look ahead with the forecast for the next several hours, we won't see a ton of steady rain, so things will become a bit more isolated at best. As we look at Futurecast toward 3:15, 4 o'clock this afternoon, you'll notice some blips of green from time to time on Futurecast, meaning the heaviest of the action is going away. So that's a good trend for us. As we go through this evening and tonight, you'll see overall a few isolated showers around, and we're still forecasting the forecast for you and updating some of the numbers. So as we look ahead into your Tuesday, we'll likely take those rain chances down, but we'll still have a few clouds lingering as we go into the early part of the day, and then we'll see the temperatures by the end of the week starting to rise up again. We're going to heat things up one more time. Live look over North Dallas, you'll see the temperatures here in the 70s. We have mostly cloudy skies. We still have some moisture on the roadways. Again, if you really don't have to be out and about, just go ahead and just stay home. It will not rain all night as we look at the day planner. In fact, you'll see for the next several hours, the rain chances are going down to about 20% by 6 and 7 o'clock tonight. Temperatures likely in the 70s. So your first alert 7-day forecast on this first alert weather day, you'll notice that things will start to improve. As we look ahead, you'll see the rain chances going down as our high temperatures go back up. Upper 80s for your Thursday, low 90s by the end of the week, and some low 90s for your weekend. Keep it right here on CBS News DFW for the latest updates with your first alert forecast on this first alert weather day.
This has been a CBS 11 News First Alert Weather Day Update.